Did you know that it's super easy to create your own closed terrarium? This is the perfect way to keep plants if you're not the best at remembering when to water them. They also make great gifts for friends and family. You'll want to be sure you select a container with an airtight seal. Bottles, mason jars, or pickle jars are examples of perfect containers for making your own terrarium. Here we've used a food storage container that we found at a thrift shop. All you need is a container, pebbles for drainage, soil, and suitable plants. In the bottom of your container, you'll need a drainage layer. We've chosen a decorative black gravel, but you can use other gravel types, or pumice or leca. Do you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see in future videos? Leave us a comment below, and of course, make sure to follow and like this video. Add your soil, making sure you leave enough room for your plants in the container. An all-purpose potting mix is a good choice for these terrariums, but you can also add coconut coir and perlite to keep the soil airier. You can arrange the plants in different configurations and even create small slopes in the soil. Open Planta to add your newly created closed terrarium so that you can follow its progress and track its growth. It's important to choose plants that will grow well in humid conditions, and species that won't grow too large. Cacti and trees are some examples of plants that won't do well in a closed terrarium. For this terrarium, we have chosen a maidenhair fern, a nerf plant, and a Pilea silver sprinkles. These all have different growth habits, contrasting colors, and will live well in a humid environment. Clear off any residual dust and dirt from the foliage to keep the leaves clean and healthy, and then thoroughly mist the container before sealing it up. Place your finished terrarium in a bright spot close to a window but sheltered from both direct sunlight and cold draft. Placing it in the direct sun can cook the plants inside, but if you don't have a bright area, grow lights are a great addition. During the first week or so, you'll need to check the moisture level inside the container. If condensation gets too high, you'll need to ventilate by opening the lid for a couple of hours. If the soil wasn't moistened enough after planting, you can mist it a little bit more. When you've found the perfect humidity level, you can close it up and enjoy your own personal ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Planta, happy planting!